Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB video update, and very quickly I'm going to dive into the 4-hour time frame at the moment. And it seems like the 4-hour time frame looks to make a morning star. So this morning star looks pretty amazing to me. Okay, so morning star right over there, and that's really bullish. Maybe a potential stop loss right now for SHIB really looks to be on the 1155 level. And what I'm going to do is diving into the 1-hour time frame at the moment, and we are looking to still, maybe drop a little bit because Bitcoin. I'm going to show you Bitcoin, and it's because of Bitcoin. Okay, I'm not getting that vibes out of Bitcoin. So on a 1-hour time frame, it seems like there's a bear flag kicking in, and what I'm going to do is actually bring in this level here that you're already breaking out of. So you might say that Bitcoin is still looking to drop from there to there, and we're looking for a Bitcoin to actually come down to $21,632 out of that bear flag. So that doesn't really mean good for SHIB. You see, even though we're making some very good, candles, we are making some very positive morning stars, you have to compare this thing with Bitcoin all the time, because what Bitcoin does, probably SHIB is going to follow Bitcoin's footstep at any given time. So could it be an entry? Even if you're in a trade right now, I would say like 1155 level is going to be a good level to actually put your stop losses. But I'm not touching anything at the moment, because to me it's because of Bitcoin and the fact that we have weekends as well. So at the moment, on a daily time frame, what I will actually on a 4-hour time frame, what I will say is that you might be putting an ABC correction for SHIB. Okay, so you did have this, I guess, first wave here, second wave down, third wave up, fourth wave down, fifth wave up there. Okay, and you might be putting in this one as an A, as a B, and you might be looking for a big whooping C correction that is still coming in. Okay, so we're not out of the woods yet. There are still some issues that I do see based on the charts, and that is because of Bitcoin. But nonetheless, this is an amazing. You can even say that that's a double bottom right here, and you're making a morning star. And at the moment, the sentiment for SHIB itself is actually bullish, but for Bitcoin, it's actually bearish. And I'm actually going to follow Bitcoin at the moment. When Bitcoin actually relaxes down, that's when I'm going to actually start to look at SHIB and what it's doing. And that's it for today's update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.